So one thing you can do is go to where your module is. This is the modules page in one of my courses that I'm working on. And go to the module title and click here and go to edit, and you can add requirements. So I'm going to add requirement and you can have students must complete all of these and must move through them in sequential order. So I'm going to click here and so imagine that this assignment is the draft. They have to submit the assignment, or they have to score at least, whatever it is. And if you have the point total here, I just have one because it's a complete incomplete. But I still have to go in the grade book and give that. And so they have to submit this assignment and score a complete before they can do this assignment. And then I'd hit update module. And so that way, if I had a student who came into my module here, they would have to submit this draft, and they would have to wait on me, the instructor, to go into this assignment and give them that assessment before this assignment opens.